Oh, that was dumb. Today seems like the perfect day. A little cool outside, and I got a couple new things to film with, a couple new tools that I'm very excited about. So I thought I'd hop on the Ranger, head out in the field, and let's test them out. Oh, someone else wants to say hi. It's Mr. Tim Cat. All right, well, this looks like as good a spot as any, just right here behind my house. We have a path through the woods. We have fields over here that we'll go into, but this is as good a time as any to break out this new toy that I got. So let's jump into the bag. Oh, and here it is, the DJI Avata, or Avata, the new, smaller DJI FPV goggles. You have their new controller. Just like an airplane, like your Top Gun. Rooster, rooster, come in. You get it. So enough with me talking. Let's go fly. Coming in hot. Oh, clip that tree limb. Got a leaf on there. Woo-hoo. This thing is so much fun, and we're just getting started. Ignore my hair, I know it's a mess. We have cows. I'll show you one really cool thing that the reason why this is a great beginner drone, among a bunch of stuff, is I'm not trying to wreck it or bump and bruise it, but this thing can take a pretty good whack. Almost hit me in the face, but a little dirty. No damage done to the camera, to the propellers. I mean, I'm not gonna try to wreck it, but it's nice to know that as a beginner FPV flyer that this thing can take a ding or two and still keep kicking. So let's take it up one more time. Blazing down this trail. Hopefully I don't get castrated. This thing is amazing. I'm gonna have some fun with this. If you want to know more about it, message me, or I'll continue to make videos if anybody's interested in this kind of crap. I'm not the best at it, but I'm learning. But this thing is gonna come in so handy traveling. So yeah, more to come on this. That was a good one.